3-bed, 7-bath, 8,120 square feet. 32-acre lot. 12788 West Roca Road, Lincoln, Nebraska 68333. Price below appraised value. Discover your own private paradise on this sprawling 32-acre estate. Paved roads, including paved driveway. This 8,000 square foot stone ranch, renovated in 2012, offers a blend of traditional and modern comfort. Private 11-acre private lake. Guest home boasting additional 2,049 square feet with wraparound deck. This property is your year-round haven. With outbuildings for RV/boat/toys, a gated driveway, and parking for 6 cars. Revel in 2 full kitchens, 7 bathrooms, steam showers, sauna, a boathouse, a boat dock, and a boat lift, all set against a backdrop of stunning natural beauty. Every inch of this property has been meticulously nurtured and cared for. Plus, it's a savvy investment opportunity with potential income from hosting weddings or guests, retreats, winery. The possibilities are endless. This is more than a home. It's a retreat, and it's ready for you to make it your own. Welcome to the epitome of tranquil living.